Okay, we we are already live on YouTube, and for the YouTube, the people on the YouTube, hello everyone, welcome to our English immersion. My name is Giovanni, and I'm really happy to see you all here. Today, will be only me and Iduino. Uh, just to remember, this is not a class. There will be no corrections, no judgments, and no grades. We are uh, we are here to experience the English naturally, and just like we would in real life. And um, also, I'm not a teacher. I'm a learner. I'm a student, just like you. And I chose this topic because artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work. And I think it's amazing opportunity to explore how it's transforming our jobs. And today's topic is the role of artificial intelligence in our jobs. And I believe AI is already part of our daily lives. And okay, uh, just a note, don't worry about mistakes. This is a safe place to practice the language and experiment um, some ideas. And okay, let's start with short introductions. Edwina, please, could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, for sure. I'm Duino. I'm 30 years old. I was born and raised in Angola, but I have been living in Brazil since 2014, almost 11 years living here. In Brazil, I live in south of Brazil, more specifically in Rio Grande do Sul. I work as a software engineer remotely to a company in São Paulo. And in my company, we are building ATS platform to help other companies to manage their recruitment process. And yeah, I'm here in Talking Talk since July 2024. And yeah, in my free time, I enjoy reading book, study programming language, and listen music, and also watching series on TV. And yeah, I think that's it. It's nice to meet you, Giovanni. Mm.
Nice to meet you, man. As I mentioned before, my name is Giovanni. I'm 26. I'm married. I have two kids, and um, currently I work at a UK-based company and as a software engineer. And I'm here in Talk and Talk to obviously improve my English and improve my communication skills. Uh, for sure, due to my work, and that's it. Uh, okay, let's start with the questions, and I will read the first one. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear artificial intelligence? Um, I am following the increase of the AI since since this thing will the thing came to, I don't know, to us, or at least for me, to me. And I since started to use the artificial intelligence in my work, I believe it will be a great thing to have to help help me with uh, I don't know to uh, tired jobs like do some lists or sort something just to help us uh, with uh, tricky things, you know. And sometimes when am using ChatGPT, for example, um, I have um, I have a helper, but uh, also uh, I use it to say a second mind to help me to thinking good things or good practices to use in my job, and it helped me um, a lot with uh, good new suggestions or good ideas to implement. In my case, in my work, uh, implement some good code or uh, do best practices in my code base. And basically, that's it. When I hear about artificial intelligence, I believe it it would be a tool to help me in my job or in my life to think better or think um in a wide range about something. And that's it. And how about you, Eduino?
Yeah, for me, in my case, the idea that I have about artificial intelligence has changing along the way. I remember a few years ago when I heard artificial intelligence, I thought that artificial intelligence was simply mathematical model or statistical models that try to simulate how human brain works to uh, to learn from input data and recognize patterns to apply to solve different problems in life. Yes, but nowadays the idea that I have about artificial intelligence is the first thing that I think is a powerful tools that we have that can help us to work faster, make smarter decisions, and I think about the system that can learn from data, obviously, understand patterns, and also support humans in everyday tasks. As you said in the beginning, artificial intelligence nowadays is part of our daily lives, like in apps, customer service, even tools that we use to work. As a developers, we use code editors, we use chat such as ChatGPT, cloud code to help us to get some answer about our any questions. I feel like nowadays, artificial intelligence is a mix of technology and creativity. I feel really happy when nowadays I see different people that doesn't is in technology but talk about AI. Many years ago, it was impossible people talking
Yeah.
about AI if these people don't is part of technology area. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is more than technology, is beyond technology, is about creativity, is about powerful tools that we can use to improve our work, our life, it's very cool. Yeah.
And interesting. So for you, is AI about automation or only? about our automation or something?
Yeah, I would like to use more to automate different things in my life. But yeah, I used in personal projects to deliver messages in WhatsApp to my customers. Yes, I used NA10 to automate
Yeah.
some specific feature in my application, but I would like to use more. I think that is a powerful feature that we have nowadays. Yeah, and you. Mhm.
Yeah, as I mentioned before, I am using AI for everything. Uh, Not only in my work or something like that, or in my projects, but um everything I need to do. Um, a- as I, as I as I said, um, I am using the AI as a second mind to help me to think or to help me to do something that I believe I can do more or uh, create beyond my, how can I say, beyond my human ability. I don't know, but to help me to think in complex subjects or something like that. And I really, it's a powerful tool to have in our daily life. And
Yeah,
yeah,
really
the
interesting. How you call a second brain. Yes, it's really interesting.
yeah, yeah. I was thinking to have my own Jarvis, you know, because today it's a bit expensive to have, but I believe it will increase and the artificial intelligence will improve in this level. Basically to have uh, a personal, I don't know, a, a personal robot or a personal helper. I don't know how can I call it, but I believe it will improve more and more. And okay, um, could you read the second question?
Yes, for sure. Question number two says, how is AI being used in your field or industry? In my field, AI is being used mainly to improve productivity. I think that my field is maybe the most target for AI companies. As a developer, different companies are building different products to help developers, to automate simple tasks, to help us to writing code, even organizing information. We have Cursor, we have Cloud Code, Gemini, different tasks to help us as a developer. Many companies are using AI to answer customer questions. In my company, recently we released a feature in our platform called Auto Interview. Is when a candidate can do auto interview using AI. Our artificial intelligence analyze the candidate profiles, how candidates answer the questions, facial expression, fears, different feelings, and we deliver this report to recruitment through the employer. It's really interesting. Uh, it's a sign that we are using AI in different areas, different fields. Personally, in my daily activity, I use AI assistant to explain code when I have some doubt, when I need to fix some bugs in my code, to write documentation, to make a review PR on GitHub, for example, auto complete in my code. And nowadays, I'm trying to use AI agent to automate different things in my code. Yeah, it's a lot, so much artificial intelligence. But I try to don't avoid my creativity and put my brain in action. Don't put all responsibility only to AI, but I try to be part of the work using AI as a second brain, as you said. Yes, it is really cool. In my field, is applied in several ways. Yeah. And you, what do you think?
Yeah, talking regarding technology industry, it's uh is using a lot of features of artificial intelligence, and I will talk about chatbot because it is what I am using the artificial intelligence in right now. And here we have a big improvement, bringing the artificial intelligence to our technology because some as you mentioned regarding the do a summary of the how can I say the candidate of a job position. Here we have a review um, from the customer, and when a customer talk with us via WhatsApp or something, or our own chatbot, we can we can trace the user profile and um, using the artificial intelligence, and at the end we have all of the most important data um from the user. And in the past we need to um, to have a conversation with the user, with the customer, and get the data and get the information from the customer, and take a note or register this data in some place. And today we have all these things easier, and the artificial intelligence uh, brought to the company um, a lot of how can I say, a lot of tools to make our work easier. And yeah, that's it. So I will jump to the third question. What tasks can AI do better than humans? Um, I I I truly believe that AI can't do something better. How can I say that? I truly believe that AI can't do better something than humans because we have the biggest difference, and to take some decision or do something that is our experience involved when we have to do something. And the AI is only probabilistic, and I forgot the word, probabilistic, and I don't know. I really forgot, but it's only the AI only works when it has context, basically. If it has data to consume to create something, and we have, as you said before, we have creativity. We have a mind, a really mind, um, behind to to something we did or well behind some decision. And I only believe that AI can help us to uh, get more information regarding something in a short time gap. And I yes, for in this case, the AI can do better some I don't know calculation or bring um, faster the information to us. And yeah, that's it for me. And
Yeah,
how
it's
about you?
really interesting. I think that AI can do tasks that require analyze a large amounts of information very quickly. For example, AI can scan thousands of documents uh, and compare data and create summarization in seconds. Tasks that human take hours, days, weeks, and AI can analyze very quickly. When we have a lot of data, it's very useful to use AI to help us. It's also performed very well in repetitive tasks. It's really cool. It's the point when we can introduce automation. When we have a task when we do the same repetitive tasks, is a good opportunity to use AI because AI we don't get tired. AI don't lose focus, you know. AI can use in this context. AI is also good to recognize patterns. For example, in my TCC in university, my subject was to convolutional network to use image from landscape image to recognize fractures in the image. It's very useful in companies like Petrobras to identify fractures in the rocks to extract oil. As a human being, is impossible to identify visually these patterns. It's very difficult. I used AI to train my model to recognize patterns in this image. It is really cool. It's really fast to use AI to do these things, you know. Identify frauds, for example, or predicting trends, checking mistakes in long texts or code is very useful to use AI. Yeah, these are type of the texts where AI can be more accurate and faster than humans. Humans can do, but AI can do more faster without high accuracy compared to humans. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's really true. The efficiency of data handling of the AI, it's it's strong. It's a strong point to AI, and I believe that for sure it needed to have a human behind the scenes to check all the data and ensure the accuracy of the AI, but. Uh, For sure, it's a strong point of the AI features. Okay, let's jump to the fifth question. Could you read the question, Nadine?
Yes. Question number four. What tasks should stay under human control? Yeah, it's a good question. This question can help us to analyze at the point we are living with AI that nothing AI can replace us in different areas. as we said, repetitive tasks and analyze data and whatever. But this question is very important to because bring us the reflexive points. I believe that tasks that involve emotions, creativity, cognition, and moral decision should stay under human control. AI can't replace us yet. Yeah. For example, making decision that affects others people's life, hiring someone or giving emotional support to another. These things is still under human control. Human because human understand the context. Human have a feelings because each of us is different. Each of us has different background, different experience. It's really important, and we have ethical values that machines, AI cannot have because uh, any things that require empathy, intuition, or deep personal judgments remain in human hands. Yeah, we don't have in AI control yet because to have this in AI control, we need to transfer our brain, everything we have in our hearts, our experience in AI, but it's impossible because we don't have architecture infrastructure to save these things. Nowadays is maybe impossible mathematically. Yeah.
Yeah.
And you, what do you think?
Yeah, we were talking before the the AI doesn't have empathy or emotions or something like that, that I believe um, uh, become us, how can I say, to humans. Basically, what it is what we are, because it's mainly because we have these emotions or empathy, or as you mentioned, as you said, um, uh, emotions in in our heart, and backgrounds regarding some, can I say, experience lived in the past. And I truly believe we how can I say that we still staying under uh, control than the AI, because I I really believe um, we should use the AI as a second brain, not as the main mind behind the scenes, because sometimes we need to um, handle something using our ethics or empathy, and uh, we can do it using artificial intelligence. And I believe the human decisions always need uh, to validate in in really human emotions, or in human empathy, or human ethics, or something like that. Not based on probabilistic data or something like that. Um, I use it to say that's a good tool to have in our life, but uh, uh, it can't do what we want or what we do in our life. Because for sure the tool has a lot of limitations yet. Probably in the future it will less than what we have nowadays, but um, I truly believe that all decisions and all things should be handled for you. I don't know, for humans. I don't know if it's correct, but I do believe in this thought. Okay, so let's jump to the fifth question. Do you think AI might replace some jobs, and which ones? Mm, I I think it's a real concern, but uh, could it also create new type of jobs? And um, today we already have I don't know to name this thing, but a movement in the technology field, call it vibe coding, and um, I I believe in a near future we will have more AI in our jobs and in our life. But our work will act in a good way or or change the way we deal with the things and deal with the our daily life, if I can say it this way. Um, because uh, we still doing progress using the AI and um, um, more times we will have faster information and we'll ask for more uh, fast things or uh, maybe we want to have the things faster and we will need to take advantage of this improvement. um, I would say I believe the all the industry and all the areas will need to, how can I say that, to take more advantage of the use of artificial intelligence and bring it to um, a new way to do our work. And yeah, that's it from my side.
Yeah, very interesting. Definitely yes. I think AI might replace some jobs, um, especially those that involve routine and repetitive tasks. For example, basic customer support, simple administrative work. Nowadays, we are seeing different customer service from chatbots, WhatsApp, using AI in full entire process, even in recruitment process. In first stage, people are using only AI. It is what it is. Reality, we are living in a new revolutionary about AI. And yeah, but not all is good is bad news. I believe that AI will create new jobs that require human creativity, problem solving, emotional intelligence. AI will create new jobs, instead of only replace us. That. the most important things that we need to do is to adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant in the market. AI will change the way many jobs works. As a developer, AI is changing the way we build the application, we programming, and we need to stay up to date. We need to adapt a new era, new things, new technologies. I see different people fight against AI, but I think that is not the way. The way is to walking aside to AI, work together. AI is there to help us to improve our productivity, our jobs. Yeah, it's part of our life. We need to use as a second brain, as you said, as a tool that we have to help us. We need to adapt. We need to stay up to date, learn new skills, and stay relevant in your
Yeah.
job, yeah, in your career, for example. Yeah, it's very very important. Mhm.
Yeah, I agree with you. We really need to adapt of any changing in our life, in the world. And yeah, let's jump to the question number 8. I believe it's a good question. And how can AI improve creativity or problem solving at work? And I would say at life as well. I have a thought about this question that is what I am using currently in my life and my work. That is, I really when I have some idea or when I'm doing some task or something, I always ask to the AI, um, how can I do or how can I think in a different way? And it it can give to me some new ideas or some new ways to think regarding some subject, and I believe it's uh, a good, how can I say, um, a good path to 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 do to to this everything we we want, because sometimes we we have how can I say that, like when we need to do something what we are used to do sometimes, or um, when we already have a thought regarding some subject, uh, we use it to follow this thought or follow this that type that you already uh, have done. And the AI can bring to us a wide range of possibilities outside your background or your experience, and I believe it can create um, big different opportunities to improve ourselves and um bring some new things to learn. And I believe uh, the I don't know if it's correct to say, but I believe the AI can inspire creativity in our life. Uh, I don't know if it's correct because the AI only will will bring um, some, as I mentioned, probabilistic data or probabilistic information. But I believe we can think in a wide range of possibilities. And about you?
Yeah, I agree with you. It's maybe the area, the field that AI is most useful, is most effective to us. AI can boost creativity by giving people new ideas, new perspective about the things. Sometimes you think that you the thoughts about everything, but when you put on the chat on AI and give more context, AI can show you different point of view, different perspective. It is really interesting. Different possibilities that you never thought before, never think before. For example, AI can generate the design, UI design. AI can write a draft, suggest improvements, help and brainstorm. AI is very useful to help us to have creativity. As we see on the internet, people creating different videos, movies, music. This week I heard the music created by AI. Was so amazing. Yeah,
Yeah.
there is no limit for creativity when we are using AI. AI can analyze our solution very quickly and show the patterns, suggest us improvements. You know, yeah, there's no limit. Instead of replacing creativity, AI acts like a partner that can support us to expand our imagination. Yeah. But that depends the way you are using AI. It's very important to understand about the context, about the prompt engineering, for example. One shot, few shots. Yeah, this is very important. Giving examples in AI. Yeah, depend the context you are giving to AI. When you are using more correctly effective, you will get powerful results. Yeah. And there is no limit for creativity when you're using AI.
Yeah, today, the results of the use of artificial intelligence depends only how accuracy you ask for something.
Yeah.
Accurate you are when you ask something to the artificial intelligence. I believe it will change in the future, but today we need to give too much context to the AI to have uh, to get satisfied results. So to finish today's topic, I want to advance to the question number 10. Could you read the question, Medina, please?
Yes. Question number 10. What advice would you give to someone afraid of AI? Okay. To these people, I would say that fear usually comes from not understand some things. Maybe these people need to read more, to get more information about AI. It is one point. When we don't have, when we heard only about the speculations, about the news, but don't sit and read and understand what really means AI, we maybe feels fear. I think that's the best way to feel more comfortable is to learn how AI actually work and try to using simple tools, instead of being fear. Try to get more information, learn more about AI. Don't necessarily to learn technically how AI works. No, using simple tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, Uh, AI isn't here to take over, to replace all in everything. AI is here to help us work smarter, to making wise decisions in life. Uh, yeah, I would also remind these people that humans are still in control. Not everything is under our control, but we still under control, as we mentioned before. We decide how AI is used. We decide. We can decide. Um, Start small, you know. Learn about new about different tools, organize your tasks, for example, get quick explanation, summarize texts. Yeah, easy tasks during your day to adapt to about AI, and it can build confidence to use AI. Yeah, once people see AI as a tools, not as a thread or as a power things that can replace us, they usually feel more relaxed, more confident. Yeah. To sum up, I would say that see AI as a tools that can improve you, can boost you to another level. Yeah.
Amazing. So embracing change and curiosity, yeah, curiosity is better than fear, isn't it? And I really believe we can use the AI as a tool to improve our lives. And I would say uh, is it's better to um, as I mentioned right now, it's better to embracing the change of have AI in our life and try to take advantage of the tool to improve your life or improve your skills. I truly believe the artificial intelligence can help us to um, uh, make the things better and make the things easier than we have to nowadays. And you can take advantage of it. And I believe you can try to use the artificial intelligence to learn something new or learn how how can it do your life better or um, I believe you can use the AI to take advantage of everything in your work and in your life. Uh, um, you can do how can I say you can learn faster than other people uh, that are using the artificial intelligence and to improve your skills, to take advantage in your work. And for sure, it will help you and help our life to, as I said, to improve our skills. And for sure, it will help to improve our daily life. And yep, that's it. That's all, folks. And thank you, Eduino, for sharing your thoughts and for sharing your experience with us. And it's a pleasure to be here. And yeah, do you have any thoughts or any feedbacks?
Yeah, thank you too to bring this topic. Is a modern topic actually discussed every day. Yeah, thank you. It was amazing conversation. I appreciate that. Yeah, thank you. Have a nice night. Rest of night. Yeah.
You too. See you guys. Bye.